Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Not only am I obsessed with coffee, but I'm really on a mission to become a great home barista. Thanks to this espresso grinder from STARSEEKER, I'm one step closer to being able to create perfect coffees. This small but mighty espresso machine is a Burr-style grinder. It has 19 different settings, so you can really work with the coarseness and the steam pressure of your own espresso maker to make sure that you really get the perfect coarseness. The top part has a magnetic suction cup, and what this does is it makes sure that any powder left over comes into the cup. That way you're not wasting any of your beans. The cup at the bottom has a magnet underneath as well. So while you're grinding your espresso beans, you'll find that it stays in place and it doesn't spill all over the place, which is really a nice feature. The machine has an on-off button to operate it, and on the other side, in case it gets overheated, it has a reset button. But I found I did not have to use that button at all. I really love using this machine. If you're ready to take your coffee brewing to the next level, then you definitely want to invest in a really good coffee grinder. This one has so many great features and ways to adjust for your beans. I would highly recommend it because you'll get the perfect cup of coffee every time. But that's just my point of view.